Shirley's Kitchen. Today I'm making fried dumplings, golden, soft, and crispy. Soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. I'm using 2 cups of flour, all-purpose. Okay. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of baking powder. Let me see, just a tablespoon and a half of brown sugar. I'll be using a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm using regular salt today. Okay. Over here I've ready a cup of cold water. So I'm gonna whisk this in. You can add margarine or butter at home when you do yours, but I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of coconut oil so I'll get a nice coconutty flavor. Okay. Wash my hands again, family. Okay, my hands are clean, so I'm gonna get started. Mixing in the oil a little bit. Then start pouring my water slowly. This is a cup of water, so you go slow. If you need more water at the end, just add, more water, but I'm going slow with this. You go along with this, pinch. I'm not trying to knead it today, just bring it together with your fingers. Knead a little bit. This my basin is nice and clean. And I'm gonna add a little flour to my hands. So family, I'm gonna let this rest for about 20 minutes. I'll come back and show you how I fry these. Okay family, so I'm testing the oil, and that's not too hot, but I'm gonna lower that some more and drop these in. It's already made. So that's about the temperature. No. I want to fry these on low temp because I don't want it to burn, and I also want it to cook on the inside. So that's as low as it's gonna go. Yeah. Alright, so that should be enough. This pot. Let those go. So family, you notice the dumplings are very puffed up, so that's when I'm gonna turn, and around the edges, that's the color that I'm looking for. And so I'm gonna turn these and let the other side fry like that. And it's just that simple, family. On that low heat, same low heat. goodness. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut up. That's it. Big enough. Alright, so my dumplings are coming out. They're nice and golden and puffy. So here they are. Beautiful. So family, here I am, all set to go. Fried dumpling and of course ackee and saltfish. Over here I have some festivals that was just additional. Today, that's it. Enjoy this meal, family.